welcome back to another video. It's me, Tyra. If you're new here, hi, hello. If you're not new here, welcome back. Tymo actually sent me this blow dryer a while back. I want to do like a protective braided style. So I'm going to be using the Air Hype by Tymo, but this is the light. So this is one that is a tier below the one that I usually use. I usually use the Tymo Air Hype, but this is the Tymo Air Hype Light, and there are some differences. This one is a little bit less expensive, but I'm just now opening this, and they sent me this probably about 2 months ago. It comes with the same attachments, the diffuser, the comb attachment, and the concentrator nozzle. But I think that if you were to go and buy this, you can choose if you want to add the attachments or not, and they just so happen to send me the one with the attachments. This one doesn't come with the digital screen like the Air Hype does. let's go ahead and get into these braids. So I'm gonna part my hair. I'm gonna take a section first. You're gonna take a section, however, you know, big the width is, that's up to you. But I'm gonna take like this medium section of hair and I'm gonna part it all the way down the middle. What you wanna do is also make sure you have some braiding gel. It really doesn't matter what brand you have. I was using the Kaleidoscope brand for this braid today. But I go ahead and section my hair off. I apply the braiding gel. You want to create a section within a section. So you're gonna, in total, create 4 sections. And I'm gonna just let you guys watch this part because it's really hard to explain. I just know that you need to create a section within a section, and always, always, always apply the braiding gel in each section that you do, because that's how you kind of keep the hair neat and the parts as clean as possible. Once you create the sections, you should have 4 sections. You want to go ahead and start braiding, but you want to braid the first section, like the first half of one section, braid it and connect it to the bottom half opposite section. So the opposite section that is adjacent to, okay, this sound like math. This sound like math. I don't like that. I don't like that. So I'm going to let you guys just watch, because I was really planning on explaining this to you guys, but the more I tried to explain, the more I realized this is going to get a little bit complicated. So I'm going to let you guys just watch. But the tip that I want to give you guys, that if you are going to braid, and this is just in general, always try to use a braiding gel, because it's what helps keeps your part neat. Sometimes a person can braid really, really well and their work look like trash because they didn't use a braiding gel to keep it neat and like tucked in, and the hair is kind of separated from each other instead of like falling into each other's braids. So I need you guys to invest in a braiding gel. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Aunt Jackie's has a braiding gel that I like in one of their collections. But I'm going to show you guys again how to do this. But I'm going to let you guys just watch, because I don't think me explaining it does anything. I'm all done with my braids now, and this is the crisscross design that you guys are here for. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hate that I couldn't really explain it. It was kind of harder than I thought, but granted, this is my first time really braiding on my channel and showing any sort of braided styles. Let me know if you want to see more braided natural hairstyles, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye. Mwah.